Did you know that TradeNovaTech has more than 40 free productivity tools? Yes, completely free. If you regularly work with PDFs, Excel files, images, QR codes, or other everyday tasks, you may find something useful here. You can merge, split, compress, and work with PDF files. There are also useful Excel tools, image tools, QR tools, and several other productivity utilities. The idea is simple. Instead of searching for a different tool every time you need to complete a small task, we're bringing useful tools together in one place. And these productivity tools are completely free to use. We'll also keep adding new tools and improving the existing ones. So if you're looking for simple tools that can save you time in your everyday work, check out TradeNovaTech. Visit TradeNovaTech.com and explore the free productivity tools. This is only the beginning.